Hello guys, in this video we're going to see what is new in WatchOS 8. So let's start. First up, we have the express yourself in messages option. So what this means is you can compose a message now using dictation, scribble and emojis. All you have to do is tap on the text field and then choose a method. Now you can see that you can add emojis as well, and you can record your message using voice commands as well as previously. Next up is finding device. So you can find your device with your Apple Watch. For that, what you need to do is open Find Devices and then tap a device to see its location. If the device is nearby, then tap Play Sound. And if it's not nearby, you can also tap Directions and it'll give you directions to that device. And you can simply go and walk to the device and find the device. Next up, we have peaceful mindful moments, and you can actually take a pause for a mindful moment. You can spend a minute focusing on here and now. Make yourself comfortable, open the mindful app and then tap reflect. Now when you do this, I've tried it a couple of times and it is pretty useful when you're not able to sleep, or you're tired after a long day at work. You can use this feature. It's going to help you a lot. Next up, it is going to be checking your respiratory rate. Apple Watch can actually track the number of times you actually breathe per minute as you sleep. For that, you need to simply open the help application on your iPhone and then tap browse, and from there tap respiratory, and from there you can set these options and it is going to track how many times you actually breathe every minute while you're sleeping. Next up is you can actually set multiple reminders or multiple timers. So previously you could set one timer, but now you can open the timers app and then you can create a timer, and then you can press this button that's going backwards and then start to record a second timer. So you can put in 2 timers. It'll ring on the first timer, and after the second timer pops up, it rings again as well. Next up is turning on Assistive Touch. So you can use gestures like clench and pinch to control your Apple Watch. For that, you need to just open settings on your Apple Watch and then tap accessibility. From there, tap Assistive Touch and then turn on Assistive Touch. So these are some of the new things that are there in the Apple Watch WatchOS 8. If you want to know more about it, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.